Be honest for a second. You don't skip workouts because you're lazy. You skip because every workout feels confusing. You open YouTube, see some crazy routine, try it for 2 minutes, and quit. And then you think, maybe this isn't for me. But that's not true. You just started wrong. So forget all that. I'll give you a simple beginner routine that actually builds your body. No equipment, no confusion, no wasting time. But you have to follow it properly. And at the end of this video, I'll give you an advanced 30-day calisthenics transformation plan, totally free. Exercise 1, push-ups. Start with push-ups. Now watch this carefully. Most people do this. Fast reps, half range, no control. Looks like effort, but gives almost zero results. Instead, go slow. Down, pause, then push up. Feel your chest working. 8 to 10 reps. And if you can't do full push-ups, do knee push-ups. No ego. Because doing it right is always better than doing more. Now wait, the next exercise looks easy, but this is where beginners ruin everything. Exercise 2, squats. Squats. Simple? Not really. Most people cheat here without even realizing. They go halfway down, then come back up. That's not a squat. Go all the way down. Keep your back straight. 12 to 15 reps. And when your legs start burning, don't stop immediately. That burn, that's progress. Now comes the part most people avoid completely, and that's exactly why they stay weak. Exercise 3, plank. Plank. Looks simple, feels easy, until you actually do it properly. Check your form. Hips too high? Wrong. Hips too low? Also wrong. Keep your body straight. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. And when your body starts shaking, don't quit. That shaking means your core is finally working. One last exercise, and this one decides whether you're serious or just trying. Exercise 4, lunges. Lunges. Step forward, go down, come back. Now don't rush this. Beginners lose balance here, so go slow. 8 reps each leg. If you feel unstable, good. Your body is learning control. Now listen carefully. This part matters more than all exercises. Do this full routine 2 to 3 rounds. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between rounds, not more. And don't just do it once and quit. Do it daily. Start today. Not perfect, just start. Because one day, this simple workout will be the reason you don't recognize your old self anymore. If you're serious about changing your body, just follow and comment plan and see link in description.